Hi guys, it's me, Peyton. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, save, and post all notifications. And don't forget to like, comment down what I should do next. Right now, I'm gonna show you my dog, Maggie. That's my dog. She's a black lab mixed with a collie. I'm gonna show you around my house. So here's the kitchen. Tiny. Bathroom. Mom's room. Comment down below if you couldn't see that. We got an escape ladder if you can't see that. Comment down. And a closet. We have an upstairs, yes. My sister's bedroom, kind of messy. My bedroom, kind of messy. Holy, did you even see? My bedroom, kind of messy. Yeah. Now, ow. We got a backyard that you can't see right now. Comment down. Below if you can see it. And then next month is my birthday. I'll be 10. So support me and my birthday. Yeah. No, I said I'm turning 10. Duh. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that short video. Don't forget to like and comment down. And I might do a face reveal of my sister and my mom. Or my dad. Comment down which one you want me to do. Okay. Bye. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up.